In a quiet village, a little dog named Chiku lived all alone. No friends, no home. Just one old slipper, once belonging to a child, was his toy, his friend, his everything. Every day, he licked it, curled up with it, and slept, as if missing someone dearly. One day, a car arrived in the village. A boy stepped out, holding a slipper, the matching pair. He shouted, "Chiku!" Chiku ran toward him, barking with joy, as if he had found his whole world again. The boy was his old owner who had moved away to the city.